Howdy Aggies, welcome back to our series on native lawns. Today we'll be talking about how to maintain a native planted lawn.
Because buffalo grass is a slow-growing species, it doesn't require frequent mowing. Depending on your style preference, you can expect to mow your grass about every 1 to 3 weeks.
Rather than using an expensive irrigation system, buffalo grass relies on the natural rain cycle of Texas to maintain itself. Excess usage of water on buffalo grass can allow invasive species such as Bermuda grass to take over your lawn.
While using fertilizer on buffalo grass is not necessary, a small layer of nitrogen fertilizer can help make the grass look greener. As with overwatering, an excess of fertilizer can give an advantage to non-native grasses.
Since buffalo grass cohabitates well with other native plants, you may choose to plant wildflower seeds in sections of your lawn that you don't mow. If the lawn features food, water cover, sustainable practices, and places for wildlife to raise their young, it may be certified as a wildlife habitat.
These certifications verify that your lawn is a thriving ecosystem and that native insects and animals have a place to live. Thank you for watching our video series on native lawns. We hope you enjoyed it.
Make sure to use our code BIODIVERSE for more entries into our giveaway at the end of the month.